Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a new episode of the Coffee Bright Show, and I'm your host, Rajwat. Today, we're going to be playing what I regard as one of the best racing simulators for PC, and we'll be talking about something that I wanted to talk about for quite some time. What is that game? Which game am I talking about? The best racing simulator? Drum roll, please. We're going to play Project Cars 3 and talk about something that I wanted to talk about for quite some time skill issue. See, I myself am a software engineer, and damn, bro, it's quite tough to get a job in IT if you're a fresher or just starting out in this industry. 2, 3 years of experience should get stuff. Despite having the relevant skills, getting hired is quite a challenge और पैसा सबको चाहिए. तो कैसे? क्यों? And how? We'll talk about it while we play our best games. Stay tuned and welcome to the Coffee Break Show. Enjoy. So let's get into it. We're starting up and let's go. The beautifulness is in the GT. Hmm. Acura NSX. Quite an underrated car, I must say. इतनी इज्जत इसको मिली नहीं पता है जितना हाइप हमने निसान GTR और सुपरा को दिया ना भाई कागज ठंडी पड़ गई है ना so yeah movie गया let me tell about Project Cars 3. It is made by a Japanese studio which you might know as well, Bandai Namco, the studio that gave us Street Fighter. Hmm. And let me tell you, they have done a really good job when it comes to making Project Cars. This game, I have tried a lot of other games too. I've tried Automobilista, I've tried Assetto Corsa, Need for Speed, but the simplicity when it comes to simulating racing models and tracks and when it comes to physics, I do not think any other game comes close to Project Cars 3. Okay, well maybe iRacing is good, iRacing is fine, but paid, there are paid bro. Also, Race Room is good, but ये थोड़ा अलग है. It's quite easy to play. I must say I like the interface quite a bit. It is as it's quite simple. Let's take custom event. Hmm. Into a different car. Sorry. Mm, let's go with this. Absolute scream. Track my favorite, California Highway. And then we go for a spin. Should we waste someone or should we just drive around while I tell you why this game is so good? Nah, we can do that. Let's do that. इस गेम शुरू करने के बाद ही यू स्टार्ट रियलाइजिंग कि ये गेम कितना वेल मेड है एज कम्पेयर टू इट्स कंपेटिटर्स लाइक ऑटोमोबिलिस्टा एंड Assetto Corsa. लोग बोलते हैं Assetto Corsa is more realistic. नहीं भाई, I've played Assetto Corsa competition. नहीं है वो अच्छा, नहीं better. This is good. Look at this. Camera angles are good. It's quite easy and let's rock it. Mad fun. Yeah, bro. rains. Not actually a bad time to drive in this. Yeah. ठीक है, I'll give it. मैंने weather change नहीं किया. I kept it rainy because when I'm on a race, I like a challenge and yeah, rains are okay. Get to the corner easily. Alright. Uh, ठीक है bro. Let's lock in. Let's lock in. Okay, into corner, downshift. But we tackle the corner well and let's go. Pull. This car seems so rev happy. ये रेड लाइन इतनी जल्दी हिट कर रही है. Actually, we are using a controller. That's why you must see that the handling is quite responsive. और मैंने ये देखा है कि भाई कीबोर्ड से बेटर तो कंट्रोलर है when it comes to racing games. Not when we play games like GTA 5. GTA 5 is supreme when we play it with the keyboard. Not so much with the controller. But when it comes to driving games, controller is prime. उससे भी ज़्यादा प्राइम है एक having a steering wheel setup which is quite pricey. But if you're starting out as a gamer, I must think, और अगर तुम्हें racing games पसंद है, I must suggest you to invest in a good controller. I personally use the Cosmic Byte का Stratos Xenon. Quite a great controller, पर वो कैसा है पता है? It doesn't come with the dongle. If at all Cosmic Byte sells it with the, you know, उसका डोंगल जो आता है जिसको 500 रुपये देके अलग से खरीदना पड़ता है. अगर वो साथ में देने लग जाए इसमें कोई सुहागा, वी आर विलिंग टू पे एक्स्ट्रा if it comes if at all it is sold with the dongle. But पहले तो इसको the dongle is sold separately और ऊपर से there is a good chance that you may not find it on e-commerce store as well. Amazon, Flipkart सब जगह देखा कंट्रोलर अवेलेबल है बट ये नहीं अवेलेबल उसका डोंगल. और कहीं दुकान पे जाओ तो भाई दोनों नहीं मिलेंगे. But still, I use it with a wire. It's also Android compatible. It's quite a great controller. Analog triggers. It's quite great. I'll give the link in the description for the same thing. But अगर तुम्हें controller ही चाहिए तो I suggest Cosmic Byte की controllers because they are quite good at doing their job. Back to this game, I must say कि इस game में जो simplicity दी है, when it comes to a racing enthusiast who likes to, you know, select a track, select a car of their own choice and just pull. As a software developer, there are times when I get frustrated so much काम करते कि मुझे भाई लगता है कि I wish I had a supercar and then I could, you know, drive it somewhere. But supercar तो नहीं है. So we play games, right? As men we know कि हम games क्यों खेलते हैं. And then after playing a lot of games, I realized that this is quite a great fit. Camera angles भी काफी promising दिए गए हैं and it's quite smooth. I must see even on low end PC. अब मेरा ये जो PC था, this is the MSI GL63, quite old one. इसको मैंने जब engineering शुरू की थी, तब मेरे dad ने मुझे खरीद के दिया था ये. और ये भी चल रहा है. Not on Windows. I use Linux on it. Pop OS to be specific, but yeah, after making some modifications to it by installing a plethora of software to ensure Windows games run on it too, I was finally able to make sure that games खेल सकूँ मैं, despite it being a Linux machine. अगर तुम Linux यूज करते हो तो तुमको पता होगा कि भाई Linux games पे Linux devices पे games चलाना कितना difficult है. Linux और वैसे देखा जाए तो Nvidia के ग्राफिक कार्ड इतनी बनती नहीं होती. There is quite a lot of processes and plugin installation that you have to do if you want to get the most out of your hardware with Linux being installed. Windows में वो सीन नहीं आता because Windows offers a lot of, you know, drivers that ensure NVIDIA and other graphics vendors create devices to work good on it. In general, Windows is video game friendly. A lot of video games are built specifically for Windows, not for Linux, not for iOS, but for Windows. तो मुझे लगता है कि अगर गेम्स खेलना कंप्लीट है तो विंडोज एक काफ़ी अच्छी वजह से बट मी आई एम नॉट जस्ट अ गेमर। मैं कोड भी करता हूँ। आई वर्क एंड फॉर दैट आई थिंक। और ऊपर से पीसी थोड़ा सा पुराना है, इट गेट्स स्लो। Windows 11 becomes too demanding on this kind of PC, which is quite old, and I want to make the most of it. So I thought Linux is a good choice when it comes to work and lightweight, being it so good. उसके साथ I had to do some modifications to the on software level to ensure all these games are so as you can see, Bitcoin is pretty well and it is so good. Damage is also there, but damage doesn't affect your car much. However, my currently experience handling difficulty with color because my experience so good. That is how much I've paid. But even for first time is this game is very forgiving. Downshift, downshift, downshift. Ah, pull. Okay, here. Be quite damaged a bit, right? Hmm. Pull. And a big message of beacon. You don't want to slow down. We're gonna raw dog it like real men do and push past our limits, guys. Push past our limits. If you know what I'm talking about, you know. Mm. हाँ, अपन बात करने वाले थे स्किल इशू पे। Now that we're so deep into video, I get a mind about the fact that we're on complex skill. ये मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया है कि when it comes to skills, everybody आजकल has skills on paper. सबको React आ रहा है, सबको JavaScript आता है, सबको Python, AWS, Spring Boot, Kubernetes, whatnot ये सब shit आता है। Courses सब जगह available है, but it's still difficult to get hired. Skill issue तब आता है as per my experience. So like now currently I have 3 years of experience into software development. I have worked for a pretty established but non-software company which uses software as a accessory to smoothen its business processes. And now I freelance, which is quite good. I have control over my hours and stuff like that. But that's not the point. The point is having skills. Skills मुझे लगता है कि build तभी होता है when you work actively on certain things. Courses तो कोई भी कर लेता है. When it comes to getting hired actively, you have to have the skills, have experience, hands-on experience. That's why hands-on experience वालों को demand होता है. इसीलिए जब तुम resume देखोगे ना, तुम अगर employed होते हो ना, तो वो उनको trust बैठ जाता है कि हाँ भाई, ये employed भी रहा है and he has actively worked on technologies that are employed towards building something meaningful for some client or for some company. तो उनको लगता है कि हाँ, this is a credible source. But that is not the case of result. What happens when it comes to freshers या फिर कोडिंग राउंड्स? समटाइम्स कोडिंग राउंड में फील, समटाइम्स कोडिंग राउंड्स आर absurd. कुछ भी पूछ लेते हैं वो जो रेलेवेंट है भी नहीं। ऐसे ऐसा हुआ फॉर अ रोल आई वाज इंटरव्यूइंग वंस और फिर वो रोल था फॉर अ जावास्क्रिप्ट डेवलपर, रिएक्ट फ्रंट एंड डेवलपर। तो उनकी कोडिंग टेस्ट में उन्होंने पाइथन का पूछ लिया। वैसे पाइथन इतना अच्छे से नहीं आता बट इट वाजंट मेंशन्ड एनीवेयर। मे बी दैट इज आई एम कंप्लेनिंग, बट ये भी देखो ना कि भाई पूछ क्या रहे हो तुम किस जॉब के लिए, मुझे एक्सपीरियंस किसमें, तुम पूछ क्या रहे हो। अलग बात है। स्किल इशू मुझे लगता है तभी होता है जब यू डोंट हैव इनफ नो hours of a certain skill. वही मैं देखता हूँ when you complete a certain number of hours, a certain number of time with a certain skill, you get to know the careers that come into play with it. comes to actually building something and deploying it. जैसे कि कितना टाइम लगेगा फॉर इम्प्लीमेंटिंग अ सर्टेन फीचर, डेडलाइंस, टाइम, बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफन ऐसा होता है कि उनको तुम्हारी टेक्निकल स्किल्स पे शक नहीं है। टेक्निकल स्किल्स तो ठीक है, कोई भी सीख लेता है, एक्वायर की जा सकती है, सीखी जा सकती है ऑफ कोर्स कोर्स वगैरह करके, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू द अदर फैक्टर्स, that is managing your time, managing the resources, managing the hours that go into creating or implementing a certain feature, या फिर interacting with certain team members, communication हो गया, ये सारी फैक्टर्स काम में आती है। और इनको मुझे पता नहीं, समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि इनको बताया कैसा जाए जस्ट थ्रू अ रेज्यूमे। अभी रेज्यूमे में बहुत चीजें डाल सकते हैं, अपन लीडरशिप डाल सकते हैं, एक्सलेंट कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, इंग्लिश, हिंदी, मराठी, ठीक है ना भाई। अपन कम्युनिकेशन बोल तो सब लेते हैं, सॉरी बोल तो मतलब भाषा बोल तो सब लेते हैं, बट when it comes to saying the right things, that is where the skill is tested. That is something I feel positively. तो बस आज की वीडियो के लिए बस इतना ही। We have talked quite a lot about the skill issue, how it affects, and we have played quite a lot of quite some Project Cars 3. We'll continue doing this, continue talking about stuff, continue playing cool video games that I suggest. Thanks for being a part of the Coffee Bright Show viewer base. See you next time.